Hello, everybody, and welcome to my live webinar. And today, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you could build a nice website. I had to turn off my background sound there. But it's good to see everybody today. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. And let me go ahead and change my screen here to the right thing there. Okay. So it's exciting. It's exciting. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you could build a nice 6-page website for your church from scratch for free. So I hope you're ready. Get yourself comfortable. Get some water. Matter of fact, let me get a sip of some orange juice right here real quick. So I hope you're excited. Go ahead and get comfortable. Let me make sure everything is good on this end here. Boom. What up, fam? How you doing? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. I'm excited to see all of you. So today, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to build a WordPress website from scratch for free. And let me show you how it's going to look. It's going to look a little something like this. Let me go ahead and see if I can load it up for you. Our goal is to build a website that looks just like this one. Tell me that's not rocking. That's right. And I want to show you how to do it for free from scratch. Let's do this. All right. You ready? First thing I want you to do is go to my website, pastordre.com. Okay. And once you get there, I want you to go ahead and click where it says free website. Just go ahead and click right there. Okay. Now, once you get to this page, this is where we're going to decide on what is called your domain name. Now, this is a free website. So you will have what's called a subdomain. But for free, it's going to be rocking. Okay. So now a domain is like yahoo.com, google.com, facebook.com. Those are domain names with the .com or, .org, .net. Now a subdomain is going to be something like mycoolchurch.siterubics.com because it's free. Okay. Now I am an affiliate of the program that you're going to be connecting with. So if you do decide to set up a paid account, they'll give me a little bit of love. But this is a free website and you can host it for 6 months for free. Okay. So now, first thing we want to do is decide on your domain name. So if it's for your church, say the name of your church is the On Fire Church, the Radical Church, the Cool Church, whatever your name of your church is, you can try to find a domain that fits with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make up something for the sake of the webinar. So I'm going to say, let me see, let me make up something. The church, let me see, just put church website. How about that? Church website. Let's see if that's available. Now it needs to be available. Okay, church website is not available. So let's see, church, cool. Oh, church is available. Wow. Okay. So let's do church.siterubics.com. There it is. All right. So whenever you decide on your domain, you just put it there and it's going to tell you if it's available. Once you get an available domain name, I want you to go ahead and click build my free website. Okay. Okay. Now, once you click that, there's going to be a page that pops up that looks just like this one. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and sign up. It's going to ask you for your email address. It's going to ask you for your name. It's going to ask you to choose a username and to choose a password. Now, you might say, Pastor Dre, why is it asking me for all this stuff? Because you are joining a community. And this community is like a Facebook community, but it's a community that focuses on building websites, getting traffic to your website, how to monitor the traffic in your website. So it's kind of like for small businesses, but you can use it so much for your church. Okay. So that's why it's asking you to sign up. So I already have an account, but I want you to go ahead and put your email, put your name, choose a username, choose a password. Once you do that, just go ahead and click right here where it says go to my account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click log in. Then I'm going to put up my details and I'm going to click log in. Now, once you log in, you're going to get a page that looks like this. I want you to go ahead and click where it says free domain. Go ahead and click right there. Okay. Now, we already made sure that our domain is available. So just go ahead and type in the one you typed on the previous page. Enter a title for your website. I'm going to say my church website. That's what I'm going to say. You could put whatever you want. And then we're going to choose a theme. You're only going to have one theme. I have a lot because I'm a premium member. So go ahead and click this first theme right here, choose theme, and then click build my website. All right, now here's the cool thing. Once this is done, your website is up and running. It's that simple. You don't have to wait. You don't have to get wait for it to approve for a day or 2 or 3. As soon as this is done, your website is up and running at the domain name that you chose. So you're going to go ahead and you want to choose login. This is your login information. Here's your login password is admin. This is your login details is admin. Your password is right here. Of course, it'll be different from mine. To visit your website, you just click right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And there's our website. It's up and running. Now to log into your dashboard, you can either click login now or click right here. And remember, whenever you want to log into your website, you just type this domain into any browser and it will take you to your dashboard. And then you just need to enter your admin, your login, which is your admin, and your password, which is right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log in from here. Okay. And there it is. You are now in your dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and close this page. So now you can start working on your website. Here's your actual website. Okay. Here's your dashboard where you're going to make all the changes. And here is the website that we're going to try to make it look like. This is our goal website. So let me go ahead and put this here. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and close my website because you don't need it anymore. Okay. So I'm going to close that one. Boom. All right, so now we got our dashboard, our existing website, and our goal website. Let's get to work. First thing I want you to do is I want you to go to Appearance, and I want you to go to Customize. Okay. Now, once you get to Customize, I want you to go ahead and click where it says Site Identity, and I want you to tick where it says Hide Site Title, and then I want you to tick where it says Hide Site Tagline. And here you could put a tagline. You could say like a whatever your church tagline is. Say your tagline is a people we call family and a place we call home. So that could be like your tagline for your church. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish. All right. So that's going to save those changes that I just made. And then we're going to go back here. All right. And then what I want you to do is click this X right here. Okay. And then I want you to go where it says settings. See where it says settings? I want you to go ahead and click right there. Just click settings. All right. And then after you click settings, I want you to go ahead and click where it says reading. Go ahead and click right there. I'm sorry, not reading. You want to go to writing. Okay. So you're going to go to settings and then you're going to click writing. Okay. And then I want you to choose block editor. And then where it says allow users to switch editors, click yes. Scroll down and click save changes. Okay. So once again, that was settings, writing, and then you choose block editor and yes. Okay. Then you just go back to your dashboard. All right. Here's our existing website. So let's go ahead and refresh it. And that's how it's looking. All right. And once again, this is our goal. All right. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now what I want you to do is we're going to add 6 pages to our website. So go ahead and go where it says pages. You just click right there. Where it says sample page, you could take that out. You could trash that. Okay, so let's start adding pages. I want you to go ahead and click add new. All right. And then once you click add new, it's going to give you this page. You can close that with the X by clicking the X. See where it says add title? Click right there. And I want you to type in the word home. All right. And then go to publish and click publish again. So you have just added your first page. Now, I want you to go ahead and click this W here. Click add new again. And the next page we're going to add is called Live Webcast page. So when this is loading, when it's done loading, go to Add Title and type in Live Webcast. And then you click Publish and Publish again. All right, once that's done, go ahead and click the W, click Add New again. We're going to add another page. Now, this page that we're going to add is going to be our blog page, BLOG. So I'm going to go to Add Title, and I'm going to type in the word blog, and then I'm going to click Publish. Okay, so now we have just added 3 pages, and we're going to add 6. So we're going to add 3 more. So go back to the W, okay, click Add New, and the next page we're going to add is called a podcast page. So what you want to do where it says Add Title, just type in the word podcast, and then you click Publish and Publish. All right. Okay, next page we're going to add, just click this black W again, right here. Then you click Add New. And the next page we're going to add is called a small groups page. Some people call them Bible studies. Some people call them cell groups. Some people call them life groups. Some people call them ministries. Whatever you want to call your small groups, or you could, whatever you want to name the page, you could do it for your ministries. You could do it for your small groups, your Bible studies, your life groups, your cell groups. So I'm just going to say small groups, okay? And this is where you list all your Bible studies throughout the city. So small groups, and you click Publish. All right, and then the last page that we're going to add is called Contact Us. So go ahead and click the black W, click Add New, and then I want you to click or type in the word Contact Us. Contact Us. And then you click Publish, and you click Publish again. Okay? All right, we're making progress. So now what I want you to do is click this W, the black W. Let's go to our website here. Let's go ahead and click refresh. And now you're going to see at the top, you see 6 pages. You see them up there where it says home, live webcast, then it says blog, then it says podcast, and it says small groups, and then it says contact us. So you got home, live webcast, blog, podcast, small groups, contact us. You now have 6 pages on your website. So now what I want to do is we're going to make it look like a website. Right now it looks like a blog, but we're going to make it look like a website. How do you do that? You go back to your dashboard, and then you go to settings, okay? And then after you click settings, I want you to go to reading, okay? Right there. And at the top up here, see where it says a static page? Click that. Where it says home page, I want you to go ahead and select the word home. Where it says post page, I want you to select blog. And then I want you to click Save Changes. All right. Now let's go back to our website, click refresh. And now it's looking more like a website rather than a blog. So next thing we want to do is we're going to get rid of this stuff on the side here. Because if you notice, our Go website doesn't have stuff on the side. So how do we get rid of this on the side here? And we're going to get rid of this where it says home. How do you get rid of that? Okay, go back to your dashboard. Then you click where it says dashboard. And then I want you to click where it says pages. And then see where it says home? That's the page we're going to be working on. So you want to click where it says edit with block editor. Just go ahead and click right there. Okay, so that means everything that we make changes to is going to be to our home page. All right. So first thing I want you to do is to get rid of the home. See this I? You click that, and it makes the home go away. Then you come over here to the right. See where it says Sidebar Layout? Click that, and I want you to click No Sidebars and click Update. Okay. So let's go to our website now. I'm going to go existing website, click refresh. Home is gone. Things on the side is gone. We are making progress. All right. Next thing I want you to do is we're going to add this picture right here. So how do you do that? Okay. See this blue plus? I want you to click that. And then I want you to type in the word cover, C-O-V-E-R. Cover. Okay. And then you just select cover right there. And see where it says upload? I'm going to go get an image from my hard drive. You could put whatever image you want. Maybe your church worshiping, your pastor preaching, people hanging out, whatever image you want to put. So I'm going to go get this image from my hard drive. So I'm going to click upload. And then I'm going to go search for it on my hard drive. Okay, so let me go ahead and go there. Boom. Let me see where we at here. Boom, boom, boom. And let me get these pictures for the webinar. Okay, here we go. And then I'm going to choose an image. Let me choose this one. Okay. So now that I've chosen an image from our hard drive, it's going to load up, and there it is. That's the image. So now I'm going to click update. Now here's the cool thing. When we go to our website now, we're going to click refresh. Let's see what happens. There's the image. But if you notice, this one spreads all the way to the left and to the right. This one stops in the middle. How do you get it to spread out? Go back to your dashboard, and you want to click the image. See that? Okay, we want to click right above the image. Right. Well, first of all, you click the image, you can move it up or down like that. Now that's cool. Okay, so let's do that real quick. So I'm going to put it about right there. And then I'm going to click update. Okay. Now I'm going to click on top of the image. Okay. And then scroll over here to the right and see where it says content container. Click that. I want you to click full width and then click update. Okay. Now let's go to our website and click refresh. There you go. That's rocking. We're making progress. So now we want to add the writing. My Cool Church. Join us every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for our live webcast. How do you do that? Go back to your dashboard. Okay, here's your dashboard. See where it says write title? You click on that. So I'm going to say let me see, let's call it the church website. Boom. Okay, whatever the name of your church is, you could put there the On Fire Church, the Cool Church, however you want to do it. Okay, I'll just put that. I'm going to put the On Fire Church. Let me put that. The On Fire Church, and I'll take out website. Cool. All right, now you can make this typing bigger if you click here. See where it says preset size? You click over here, you can make it huge like that. And you can even make it bigger by changing these arrows. Up makes it bigger, down makes it smaller. So let's go with about 60. We'll make it pretty big. There we go. And then we click update. Now we go back to our website and we're going to click refresh. The wording should appear. Ooh, nice. The On Fire Church. All right. Now, how do you put the typing underneath? You just go after your last word, click enter, and you start typing. Tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for our live webcast. Boom. Okay. And once again, if you want to change the size, you click on the text, come over here. You could click medium. If you want to go bigger, you just click the arrows. I'm going to go with 25. To center it, see these lines here? You click the lines, you click Align Text Center. Boom. And you click Update. We're rocking. We're making progress. Let's refresh our website. There it is. Here's our goal website, and this is what we have so far. How do you put the button? The way you put this little button right here, we're going to put this button now. The way you do that, you go back to your dashboard, go after the last word, you click Enter, and then on the blue plus, I want you to type in the word button. Okay, and then it's going to have an option for a button. You click it. Your button pops up. So then you just start typing whatever you want. I'm going to type live webcast or view. I'm going to type view live webcast. You can type whatever you want. And then to center the button, you click on it. Make sure that border shows up. I'm sorry, you click outside of it. There you go. You want this border to show up right here. Click these lines and you click align center right there. There you go. Then it lines it right up in the center. Pretty cool. If you want to change the color of the button, you click the button. See where it says color settings? You click there and make sure your text is white or whatever color you want it to be. And you can change the color of the button by clicking these colors. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. I'm going to go with the green one. Okay. So then you click update. All right. So now we're going to go back to our website. We're going to refresh the page. And there you go. You got the On Fire Church. Tune in every Sunday morning, 9 a.m. for our live webcast. Rocking. All right. So now what do we need to do next is our goal website. We got this part done. It's done. There it is. It's done. Nice. Okay, how do you do the bottom where it says welcome to the cool church? The way you do that, you scroll down, you're on the same page. See this black plus? You click that, and I want you to type in the word paragraph. Then you select this here, this paragraph. You start typing. Welcome to our church website. Boom. That's all I'm gonna put. I click on it. If I want to center it, I click these lines here, click align center. To make it bigger, the same thing. I could come over here to my typography. I could make it medium. I could make it large. I like that right there. I'll go with 36. Then I click update. Now to add the next line that says the church that is on the move for God, you just hit your arrow like that. You hit enter. I'm sorry, not arrow, hit enter. Start typing. The church that is on the move for God. And to center it, you click the text, click these lines right here, align text center. To make it bigger, make sure you click on the text. Come on over here to the right, make it medium. You can make it large. I'm going to go with 25 since the other one is 25 on the header. So I'll just do it like that. Then I'll click update. So now let's go to our existing website and click refresh. There it is. Ooh-wee, it's coming along. And there we go. Now, if you notice, this one is bold. Ours is not bold. How do you get it to bold? Go back, you highlight it, highlight the text. See that B? You click that. And then you click update. Update is basically saving your changes. And then you go over here, you click refresh, and it's going to bold your welcome to our church website. Man, that's rocking. All right, next thing we want to do is want to add these images here. 1, 2, 3. All those are our images. The way you do that is you come over here, click enter after your last word, click the black plus, and I want you to type in the word column, COLUMNS. And it's going to give you an option for this column thing here. Go ahead and click that. Then I want you to choose this one, 33, 33, 33. Go ahead and click that. Now, I have 3 images on my hard drive. I put 3 images together in Photoshop, nothing fancy. I just typed out live webcast and I put this image on in Photoshop. Now, if you have a graphic designer, they could probably hook you up with some nice images. I'm not a graphic designer. I just put something together for the sake of the website and the webinar. Okay, so what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go grab those 3 images from my computer hard drive. The way I'm going to do that is I already put these 3 columns, right? We did that. So now click this plus, and I want you to click image and then upload. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my hard drive and I'm going to paste this image there. I'm going to double click it. Same thing here. I'm going to click plus, I'm going to click image, and I'm going to click upload, and then I'm going to go get my next image. Boom. Okay, same thing here. I'm going to click plus, I'm going to click image, click upload, and then I'm going to click the next image. Double click it. And there we go. Then I click update. Then I'm going to go over here and click refresh. There's our images. But if you notice, they're skewed. This one's right in the middle. Ours is kind of like skewed to the left. How do you straighten that out? Okay, you go back to your dashboard. You click on the image. See these lines right here? You want to click that and then click Align Center. Click the image, click the lines, Align Center. Click the image, click this line here, Align Center. You click Update, and you are good to go. Let's go ahead and click Refresh. Boom. Ooh, that's nice. And you've done all this for free. You haven't paid a cent. This is a nice website. And you got your domain right here, church.siterubics.com. It's rocking. All right, next thing we want to add is they got a little bit of text under the images. So I'm going to put some text, but I'm just going to copy and paste this text for the sake of time. So I'm going to copy it. Now, how do you put the text? You click on the image, see that plus, you click the plus, and you click paragraph, and then you just type. You start typing. I'm going to type the first one, okay, so you can see how it goes. Tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. to our live webcast. There you go. And you click update. Right? Same thing here. I'm going to go get this text from the small groups. I'm going to copy it, go back. Now their small groups is in the middle. Mine's on the right. That's okay. So I'm going to click the image, click the black plus, click paragraph. I'm just going to paste their typing. Boom. Right? Then I'm going to go back. I'm going to copy the church podcast for the sake of time, save a little bit of typing. I'll go back to the dashboard, click the image, click the black plus, click paragraph, and then I'm going to paste. Boom. And like I said, you could type. I'm just pasting for the sake of time. And let's go ahead and click update and let's click refresh on our website. There it is. Now it doesn't look centered. See how it's off? So the way you center the text is you go back to your dashboard, click on the text. See these lines right here? Align text center. Click the text. See the lines? Align text center. Click the text. Click the lines. Align text center. You click update. Go ahead and go back to our website. We're going to click refresh by clicking this circle up here. Now it's centered. Come on, that's rocking. That's rocking. All right, next thing we want to add is this video. This could be a welcome video from your pastor, from your newcomers team, from your PR person. Any video that you can upload to YouTube, you could put right here. And that's cool. Okay. So we're going to say it's a welcome video. Okay. This could be a testimony. It could be an event you have coming up, whatever you want to put. But I'm just going to say we're using it as a welcome video. We're welcoming people to our website. So let's go back to our dashboard. And the way you do that, you click the plus, type in the word cover. Okay. And you select cover right there. Boom. Okay, and then I'm going to choose gray. I'm going to choose, I like that. That looks nice. So I'm going to choose gray, and then I'm going to click update. Okay, so now let's go back to our existing website. They chose gray also. So they have typing on the top and then a video on the bottom. So how do we put that typing? Well, the way you do it is, see where it says write title? You click right there. And you start typing. Here is a welcome video that we would like you to view. Boom. Of course, you could type whatever you want. Then I'm going to click update. Then I'm going to go after the last word. I'm going to click enter. And then I'm going to click this black plus. And then right here, I'm going to click the 3 columns. It's going to give me 3 columns to work with. So you just click that, the columns. And then you click the 33, 33, 33. Yeah. Okay. You click that. And then what you want to do is, now if you notice here, it has the typing on the top, right? And then there's a video in the middle. So how do you get the video to go into the middle? The way you do that is, that's why I had you do the 3 columns. Okay, because we're going to put the video right here in the middle, and we're going to use these other columns to resize the video. Let me show you what I mean. So right here, we're going to click plus. Okay, and then I want you to type in the word video. Okay, and then you choose YouTube. Now, you could do any video you want that's on YouTube. That's rocking. Any video. So you record it, you upload it to YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, so here's my YouTube account. Let me go to my channel here. Let me go to my channel. Boom. It's my YouTube account. I could pick any video I want. I could pick any video on YouTube I want, but I'm going to pick one that I own. So let me go to my videos. And I'm going to choose this one here. I'm going to choose that one. Okay. It's a 30-second video advertising a webinar. Now, I said this is just for the sake of the webinar. You could choose any video you want. Okay. So now the way you get the video is you choose share and copy. That's what you want to do. Share. Let me show you one more time. You click share right here, and then you click copy. Once you click that copy, you go back to your dashboard and paste that code right there in that block. Boom. Then you click embed. Now watch what happens. There's the video. That's rocking. So we're going to click update. Okay. And we're going to go to our website. We're going to click refresh. And look what we got. A nice video. Come on, man. Tell me that's not rocking. That's rocking. That's rocking. Okay. Now, if you want to make this bold, you just come over here and you highlight the text and you click the B. Boom. And you click update. Now, say you want to make this is how the video looks right now. Say you want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. All you got to do is you come over here. And that's why we have these columns here. You click the column and see where it says percentage width. Slide it to the make it see how it's doing that? It's making your video bigger or smaller. See that? So let's go with about 30%. You want to do the same thing on the one on the right because you want it to be centered. So let's make this 30%. Okay, let's go to 30%. And you can use the arrows to dial it in exactly at 30. Boom, you click update. Let's go to our website, click refresh. Now you have bold letters with a little bit bigger video. If you want it to be bigger, you just go back, click this column and make it smaller. Okay, because the smaller the column, the bigger the video gets. See? So let's go with 25. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's go with 25. Okay. And make sure you do both the same number. That's where your video is centered. So click here, and I'm going to go with 25. See how the video is getting bigger? See that? All right. And then we're going to click update. And then I'm going to click refresh. Let's see how big it is now. I like it. I like it. Not too small, not too big. There it is. You just created a homepage for a rocking website for free. So when I click play, guess what happens? Boom, video plays. There it is. That's rocking. Okay, now this could be a welcome video. It could be a testimony. It could be a praise report, however you want to do it. All right, so there's your homepage. Now let's do this. Let's link these images to the respective pages. The way you do that, I'm going to link this button to our live webcast page. Now, there's nothing on our live webcast page yet. It's going to be blank because we haven't worked on it yet, but we'll get there. So let's go back to home. Okay, click by clicking home, and then we're going to add a link to this button. So the way you do that, you go back to your dashboard, click the button. Okay, and then what I want you to do is go to your website, and I want you to visit the live webcast page. Then at the top up here, I want you to grab that URL by copying it. Just select the whole URL and copy it. Go back to your dashboard. Now, once you click the button, there's going to be an option to pop up where it says link click, or it looks like a link. Click that, and then put that URL you copied in that box and click the arrow. Okay? And then you click update. Same thing for the image. I want you to click live webcast image. See how the link pops up? Click the link and then paste your live webcast link in this box. Now, these are both the same pages, so I was able to use the same link. Now, for the church podcast, it's a different page. So what I want you to do is go to your podcast, visit your podcast page by clicking podcast, go up here, get the podcast link, copy it, go back to your dashboard, click the image, click the link, and paste your podcast link in that box and click the arrow. Same thing with the small groups. We're going to go to our website, visit the small groups page, go up here and grab that link by copying it, and go back to our website. Once you click the small groups image, select the link and paste your URL in that box, click the arrow. Then you click update. Now, when you refresh you go to your homepage of your website. When you click live webcast, watch where you go. You go to the live webcast page. Let's go back to home. If I click church podcast image, it takes me to the podcast page. There's nothing there yet, but we're going to build that. Okay. Same thing with the small groups. If I click small groups, it takes me to the small groups page. That's rocking. It's rocking. That's rocking. All for free. All right, let's build our live webcast page. Now, the way you do that, go ahead and click the W. Go to live webcast. Click edit with block editor. Okay, and now we're going to add a live webcast feed. First thing I want to do is I'm going to add an image. I have an image that I created in Photoshop, nothing fancy, just to add a little flavor to the page. The way you add an image is I'm going to click plus, then I'm going to click image. I'm going to go to my hard drive and I'm going to get my image. It's nothing fancy. It just says live webcast. But like I said, if you have a graphic designer, you could hook it up. You could have a picture of someone preaching or however you want to do it. Okay, so I'm going to click update. Then we're going to go to our website and visit our live webcast page. There it is. There's the changes we just made. All right. So now I'm going to get rid of this because we already have it saying live webcast here. You can leave it. It's up to you. But I showed you how to get rid of it, in the first page. You just click over here. See the I, you click it, and it takes it away. And you click update. And you come on over here and click refresh. And there it is. Live webcast has disappeared. Okay, so how do you add the live webcast feed? The way you do that is just like we added the video, but there's a little something I'm going to show you that's top notch. Go ahead and click the plus button, select YouTube. Okay, now go to your YouTube channel. You have to have a YouTube channel if you want to go live on your website. You got to have a YouTube channel if you want to use YouTube. That's the way I do it. Okay, so see where this plus is right here? I want you to click that. See where it says go live? Click that. Now it's going to take you to your dashboard of your studio. This is where you set up your live feeds. Okay, so say you got a church service coming up on Sunday and you want to broadcast it live. What you want to do is you go to where it says schedule stream, click create new, and you start typing in the information. Say this is our Sunday, the name of this feed is our Sunday morning celebration service. That's what I'm going to name that. And we want it to be public. Okay, so scroll. This is your description, however you want to describe your service. You can leave that how whatever whatever you're trying to reach out to. You could just click that. I'm just going to leave it how to style. Okay, and then for this part here, for the date, I'm going to put Sunday, December 6th, and say our service starts at 9 a.m. Okay, now this needs to be accurate. You want it to be the time your service is going to start and the day. Okay, so I'm going to put 9 a.m. Oops, that's p.m. It's fine, 9 a.m. Where's the a.m. at? Okay, scroll up some more. Find 9 a.m. There we go. Boom, 9 a.m. All right, and then is it made for kids? No. All right, so then you can even upload a custom thumbnail, however you want to do it. And then I'm going to click create stream. Give it about 5 to 10 seconds, and it's going to create a live stream feed for you. Now, here's the cool thing. All right, so here's the one we just created. See where it says Sunday morning celebration service, December 6th, and it's public. You click this image here. You click the image, and this page pops up. I want you to go on over here to this arrow and click the arrow. And then see this thing here where it says copy link video? Click that. Go back to your dashboard. Now remember, you put YouTube. I want you to paste that URL you just copied and click embed. Okay, go ahead and click update. Now let's go to our website and visit our live webcast page. You now have a live webcast embedded in your website. That is rocking. So if I come to your website and I want to visit your live webcast and I click play, it tells me it's going to be live in 39 hours. And I could watch your service from your website. Can I tell you something? I see a lot of churches promoting their services on social media. You don't want to do that. You want to promote it. You want to get people to come to your website. Now it's okay, to invite people from social media to your website, but you don't want to promote watch us on social media. You want to promote watch us on our website. There's a lot of benefits in doing that. I'm not going to get into that. That's a whole nother webinar actually, because there's so many benefits. One of the benefits is this. If I'm watching your live webcast, I can add a give now button and a contact us button. So when I'm watching your service, I could give by clicking the button. I don't have to leave your feed. I could stay right here. If you do that on social media, you can't put a button. You have to put the link in the comment section. I click that link. It takes me away from your feed. And then I got to go through some complicated process. And then I got to log back into your service. By then, I've missed some of the service. It's so much easier to have people tune in to your website. Now, let me show you how to add a giving button. It's really simple. Okay, so this is our live webcast page, right? So you just click the black plus and you type in the word button. It's going to give you the option. You could click button right there. Boom. And then you could just type in the word give Sorry about that. Click on the button, type give now. Boom. That's all you got to do. Okay, and change the color of the button like we did before. You just go to color settings, text, we want it to be white, and let's make the button green or whatever, blue, however you want to do it, orange. I'm going to make it green. Green for giving. Come on, somebody. And I'm going to click update. Now, if you want the button to be in the center, we do it like we did last time. You click on it, make sure the border shows up, click these lines, and click Align Center. There it is. So now, when I'm watching your service, I can click this button, and whatever giving service you have, if it's PayPal, PayFast, whatever giving service you have, you can link your unique page to this button, because you got to go to a page to be able to give to your church. So you link that page to this button. So say, for example, I have a PayPal account. Just say that for the church. So I'm going to click this button. See the link? See that link? You click that. Then you paste your unique giving page link in this box right here. So I'm just going to type in PayPal. Okay, just say I have a PayPal. And this is my link. I'm going to type in paypal.com. Okay, and then the key thing is, see where it says open a new tab? Select that. That's the game changer right there. Then you click the arrow, and then you click update. Now, the reason that's the game changer is this. Let's go ahead and visit our live webcast. So I'm enjoying your service. I'm blessed. Now it comes time for the tithes and offerings. And the preacher, or whoever's receiving the tithes and offerings, says, those of you that are watching online, if you want to give, just click the Give Now button. So as the music team is ministering and you want to give, the music's playing, you're still listening to the preacher share the offering scripture, and you get inspired and you want to give, right? So I click Give Now. Watch this. I give now. It opens up in a whole nother tab. So I'm still in service. I'm still hearing the music. I'm still hearing what the preacher's sharing about stepping out and giving. So now I'm giving on this page. Now, this is just a sample page. Of course, your giving page would show up, but I'm just showing you how quick and easy you can link to PayPal. So I'm giving, boom, boom, boom. Once I'm done giving, I hit send. I'm still in your church service. So now the music ministries may be ministering during the offering, even while they're ministering during the offering. Say the music's playing and they're blessed in the city. Here I am filling it out. I'm still hearing the music. I'm not missing nothing. Boom. Offering baskets are being passed in the service, the live service, but I'm actually tuned in on the internet and I can hear everything that's still going on. I close the link. I'm done giving. I'm still in the service. Tell me that's not rocking. You cannot do that on social media. If you try to put a giving link in the comment section, then you have to click it on your, on your computer, and then you leave the feed, and it's it's a little complicated. Here's another blessing of watching the live webcast on your website. Say I want to contact you. I just click contact us, or I want more information on where your small groups are. I'm inspired. I want to get connected. I can click small groups. Say I want to listen to your podcast. I want to read your blog. You can't do that on social media. So that's just a few benefits. There's so many more benefits, but I'll just stop right there. Okay, so now you got a live webcast page. You're ready to rock and roll. How do you build a blog page? Let's build the blog page. Let's update, make sure everything's good. Let me get a little sip of juice here real quick. Real quick. All right, now we're going to build a blog page. Click the W. The way you do that, see where it says post? You click that. Where it says hello world, you can go ahead and trash that. I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a blog. Click add new. And then you give a title to your blog and you just start writing. It's as simple as that. Okay, so we're going to say add title. We're going to call this my first blog. That's my title. Then I click here where it says start writing, and I just start typing. Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by our church blog. We hope that you are blessed. Okay, I'm just not going to type out the whole thing. All right, I'm just going to stop there. But then you would just type, and maybe it's a testimony, maybe it's an upcoming event you want to write about, maybe it's a praise report, and you just start typing. So I'm going to copy this and paste it as if I was typing. So just say you're typing, right? You just type away, boom, boom, boom. Then I hit enter. You type some more. Maybe it's a testimony, a praise report. God is moving. Lives are being changed. So you just keep typing. Type whatever you want. Okay, then you're done, right? Say you're done. Click publish. You click publish again. And then what happens? You go to your website, you click blog, and there's your blog. It's that simple. And if you want to read it, you click read more, and there's your blog. Of course, it's just stuff that I pasted, but you would actually write a blog. Say you want to write another one. You go back, click the W, right? You're going to go back to your dashboard, and we're in post. That's where you want to be, where it says post. You click add new, and instead of calling this one my second blog, I'm going to call it testimony from the field. Testimony from the field. Say it's a testimony from the mission field. Okay, boom. And then you just start writing. Here is a powerful testimony from one of our missionaries on the mission field. And then you just start writing how God is moving. I think I misspelled missionaries. Let me see if I can fix that. Boom. All right. So say I'm going to copy this for the sake of time and just paste it. God is moving, lives are being changed. Boom. Here's a powerful testimony how God's using our missionary in this country. Boom. And you're writing away, right? You're just writing. Boom, boom, boom. You're writing away. Okay. So say you're done writing. You click publish. You click publish again. And then you go back to your website. You visit your blog page. So now you got 2 blogs. Can I tell you something? I see churches that have websites, but they don't have blogs. If you don't have a blog, you're missing out on so much opportunity, because a blog is like a flyer, and every blog you write is about 5 flyers that you've passed out, and if not more, because the more you write, the more Google ranks you in the search engines, and the more people will see your website. Add a blog to your website and try to write on that blog at least once a week. If you could do that, that Google loves that, and it will give you more rankings in Google. Now that's a whole nother webinar, but the bottom line is add a blog to your website. I see many churches, they're not manning their blogs. They just update their homepage and that's it. You're missing out on so much opportunity. Okay. And I just showed you how easy it is to write a blog. If you have any questions, you could always email me, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Let me just talk to you real quick. What's up, fam? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. If you have any questions, I'm almost done with this webinar. I got 3 more pages to create and then we'll be done. But in the meantime, let me fix this camera. I'm here to help you get your church's online presence to another level. If you are watching this webinar on demand, shoot me an email. Let me put up my email for you. Let me see if I can put it up. Shoot me an email, PastorDre at PastorDre.com. If you have questions, you're not for sure how to do something on your website, hit me up. I want to help you take your online presence to another level. In this day and age, if your church doesn't have a website, it's like your church doesn't have a building online, because a lot of people are online today. And if you don't have a website, how am I going to see you? There's too many distractions on social media. It's too many distractions. You want to reach people on social media and bring them to your website. Social media is like rented property. A website is property you own. Okay. So if you need a website for your church and you need help setting it up, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. All right, let's get back into this webinar. We're almost done here. We got 3 more pages to create and then we'll be out of here. All right, next page we want to create is our podcast page. Now, click this. I'm going to click the black W. We're back in our dashboard. Now I want you to click where it says pages. Go ahead and click right there. Then I want you to click where it says podcast and edit with block editor. Now, in order to add a podcast, you need to have a podcast. Now, there's a few places out there that give you free podcasts. I think one of them is called podbean.com. Another one is called anchor.com. So you could set up podcasts for free. Once you set that up, you're going to put it on your website. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I host my podcast with a place called Spreaker. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. All you need to do, every free podcast and every paid podcast has what's called an RSS feed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Once you set up your podcast, you're going to get an RSS feed. It might be different than finding it the way I'm going to find it on mine, but you want to ask your host or your company, or you want to get your blog or your podcast's RSS feed. I'm going to show you how I get mine. So I'm going to go to my podcast. Okay. Then I'm going to choose my Rise Up Radio segment podcast. I'm going to choose that. And see right here where it says RSS link? That's what I want. So I'm going to grab that and I'm going to click copy. That's the link I want. So then I'm going to go back to my podcast page. I'm going to click the plus and I'm going to click I'm going to type in RSS. See how this option popped up? You click that. Now, the feed that you copied, that link, remember this link I copied over here? I'm going to paste that link in this box right here. I'm going to paste it there and I'm going to click use URL. Now, my podcast is going to pop up. It's going to take a little while to register. That's why it's giving an error right now, but it will register. So now I'm going to click update. Okay. And then you're done. That's it. So then you go over here to your podcast page, and of course it's not registering yet, but that's where your podcast is going to show up. It's that simple. And the cool thing about an RSS feed is whenever you update your podcast, it automatically updates on your website. So that's the cool thing about an RSS feed. Now, what I want to do too is I'm going to add an image. Let me show you something real quick. I'm going to add an image because I made one for the podcast. So I'm going to click plus, then I'm going to click image, then I'm going to click upload. Okay. And then I'm going to click church podcast right there. I'm going to click that little image that I made. And there it is, kind of like we did for the live webcast one. Now, here's the cool thing. If you notice, podcast is on church podcast headers on the bottom and that's on the top. To move anything up or down in your website, you click on it, see these arrows, and you click it up. There it is. It's that simple. You can move anything up or down like that. So I'm going to click update. I'm going to go to my podcast page and click refresh. There it is. That's rocking, huh? All right, let me go ahead and get my email out the way over here real quick. But like I said, if you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Let me get that out the way for you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to create 2 more pages and then we'll be done. So right now we got a home page. It's rocking. Got a live webcast page. Rocking. We got a blog page. Off the hook. We got a podcast page. And that's going to register. It needs a little time. And now we're going to build our small groups page. So let me go ahead and close some of these things over here that we don't need anymore. Boom. And I don't even need this anymore. All right. Boom. So now we're going to build our, what did I say? Our small groups page. The way you build that is you go to small groups on your pages, right here, pages, small groups, edit with block editor. And I also have a small groups image. So let me add that too. And you do it the same way. You want your page shows up, you click the black plus, okay? Then you click image, right? Like I said, I already have an image. I'm not really a fancy graphic designer, but it's a basic image. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in here for my small groups. There it is. Come on now. Got the little graphics going on. Click update. Now, okay, now to add your small groups page, I'm going to click this black plus. Then I'm going to click columns again. And I'm going to click 33, 33, 33. And I'm going to show you why I'm doing 3 columns right now. What you want to do is you click the plus and then you click paragraph. And I'm just going to start typing. So I'm going to say the name of the small group is the Cool Small Group. Then you click enter. You can say location. 1, 2, 3. You could type the address, 4 Trekker Road. You could say time, 7:00 p.m. You could say day, every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. You could say contact. Boom. 061 407 9474. Okay, and you click update. Now, if you want the name to stand out, you can highlight it and click the B to bold it. You got another small group, you do the same thing. Click the plus, click paragraph, and say the name of this one is the On Fire small group or Bible study, whatever you want to call it. It could be your ministries that you have in the church, worship ministry, children's ministry. If people want to get involved and contact the leaders of that ministry, so you can just say location, 123 Fort Trucker Road. I'm just typing anything, but of course you would put the actual address, Fort Trucker Road. Then I'm gonna say time. This one starts at 6 o'clock p.m. I'm gonna say day. Say this one's on Tuesday. So you say day every other Tuesday. We'll say like that. Boom. Okay, and then you put the contact, person to contact, say their number is the same, or you could put their email, 461-407-9474. And then you just do that for all your groups. So let me bold this, make the name stand out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this for the sake of time. Okay, and I'm going to paste that over here on this next one. So I'm going to click the plus, click paragraph, and I'm going to paste what we have already. So now you got 3 small groups. And of course you could change the name. Like this could be, let's see, the worship small group. Say it's the worship team that meets. Boom. You could change the time. Say this one meets at 7 on Friday, every Friday, right? So you could change the name like that. Boom. And then you click update. Now we go to our website and we click small groups. There it is. Rocking. That's rocking. So and you can list as many as you want. You could duplicate this. The way you duplicate is you click in the box. See how that border showed up around it? You click over here, these 3 lines, see where it says duplicate? Boom. I could do it again. Duplicate. Boom. And of course, you would change all the information to the respective small groups. I'm just showing you the basics, and then you can change the information. So if I click update and I refresh my small groups page, there's a whole list of all of our small groups. So if I want to get involved in your church, I'm watching your live webcast, I get inspired, I go to your small groups page and I contact the person because I'm a singer or I like working with kids or I'm interested in working with students or young adults, and I see the information on your website. You can't do that on social media. That's another plus. All right, let's wrap this thing up. The last page we want to do is our contact us page. Let's go ahead and click this W. And let's go to the contact us page, click edit with block editor. Now I'm going to show you how to get a free contact form, and we'll be wrapping it up. What you want to do is go to a place called Jotform.com. Jotform.com. Okay. And this is a place where you could do free forms. They give you 5 free forms. They're even having a sale right now where you get 50% off. So if you go to the pricing, you can see you get free 5 forms for free. Okay. I have a paid account, so I like it. It works really good, but you could just stick with the free. Okay. So what I want you to do is go ahead and sign up. See where it says sign up. Now, once you sign up, you're going to get access to the form. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account because I already have an account. All right. Boom. Going to go ahead and click log in. And then once you log in, while they're having a good sale right now, that's good, really good. All right. So I'm going to go to my forms. Okay. And that's where you want to go. You want to go to my forms. Now I have a lot of forms here because I'm a member. You're probably not going to have any. So you just go ahead and click create a form. I'm going to actually edit this form that I have here. Okay. So once you click create a form, it's going to give you a page that looks like this. Yours is probably going to be blank. All right. Now to add anything to a form, all you got to do, if you want to add name, you click the drag and drop. Then it adds name. I'm going to delete it because I already have name. If you want to add email, you want to collect their email, you click email, you drag it over, and you drop. Like I said, I'm going to delete it because I already have email in my form. Same thing with phone number. The way I made how did you hear about us? Scroll down. See where it says multiple choice? I just click that. You can even click it and it shows up. You don't have to drag and drop. You could even click it. So then all I did is I typed how did you hear about us? And then I just chose option 1. I clicked on it. I start typing flyer. Click on option 2, TV. Click on option 3, radio. Option 4, you could say friend. You want to add another option, you just click add option, and you could type in other. Okay, and then you're good. And it automatically saves. That's the cool thing about Jotform, it automatically saves. So I'm going to get rid of this because I already have it on my website. I'm just showing you how you could do it. So now we got a nice form. It's simple. I didn't add a lot of questions, just simple, because if I'm new and I'm trying to contact you, I don't want to fill out all kinds of information. Simpler the better. If you ask me too many questions, I'm gone. Okay, so name, email, that's only thing that's mandatory. All these other two are even optional, so you don't even have to fill that in. But a big old long form, people are probably not going to fill it out, especially if they're not going to the church. Okay, so real simple: name, email, phone number. How'd you hear about us? Now, how do you get this form and put it in your website? Now, before I do that, before I show you how to do that, I want to show you the cool thing is, I want to tell you the cool thing is, when you signed up for Jotform, you signed up with an email. The cool thing about Jotform is anybody fills out this form, this information gets sent to your email. That's cool. So their name, their email, and all this information they fill out gets automatically sent to you. Tell me that's not rocking. Okay. So now, how do you put it on your website? You want to go to publish, and then you want to go to embed, and then you want to copy this code right here. Just it says copy code, you copy that. Go back to your website. Now we're on our contact us page, right? So I want you to click the black plus and then type in the word HTML. Okay. And then select that. And in that box, I want you to paste the code that you copied from Jotform, and you click update. Now here's the cool thing. When we go to our website, all right, we're going to click contact us, and look what happens. There's a nice contact form that you just created, the same one you created, same question. See that? Now it's in your website. So when I click your contact us page, I'm watching your service. I get inspired. I want to contact you. I just go to your contact page. Isn't that rocking? And here's another cool thing. I could actually go to my live webcast page. The way I did that is I came back to the dashboard, go to live webcast, click edit with block editor. Okay. Now I could even add a contact us button underneath the live webcast feed. You see? So I could come over here. I could say I want to duplicate that, right? And I want to move it up, right? And you could create 2 columns. Like, let me show you. Let me get rid of this. So get rid of that and say I get rid of this. Let me show you something real quick. I wasn't going to show you this, but I'm going to show you really quick. This is extra because we're pretty much done. Okay, so I'm going to delete that button, that give button. What I could do is click this black plus, click on buttons, okay? Or let me see. Let me see something real quick. Let me delete that. So you click this black button right there, and you type in, where we at? Where we at? Let me get rid of that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I'm going to click the black plus. Let me go here. And see this black plus? You click that. And I'm going to click that button. So when I click the plus, it added another button. So this one button could be give now. This button could be contact us. Okay, now let's change this color. You click the button, right? Color settings, want the text to be white, and we want the button to be green. That's the contact us one. Now let's click this one, click this button, want the text to be white, and we want the button to be blue. Or you could do vice versa. You can make this one green and this one blue. Just click the button, and then you choose your colors by going over to the right. Boom. So now you got 2 buttons. Now that's rocking. Now to link the buttons, I'm going to click this button first. See the link that shows up? I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to visit, I don't have a giving page. So in this case, I would type in the PayPal or whatever your giving page, your link is for your giving page. If it's PayPal, PayFast, whatever your giving, place is. So I'm just going to type in the PayPal URL, paypal.com. Okay. Boom. So that's going to link. And remember to always select open a new tab. Boom. You click the arrow. Now here, this is going to be a page on our website. So I go to our contact us page. I'm going to grab this URL, go back, and I'm going to click the button, click the link, and paste that URL in that box and click the arrow. Now, let me show you something that's really cool. So say I'm watching your live webcast, right? I'm getting ministered to. I'm getting blessed. Not only did I give during the tithes and offerings, I want to contact you. I want to contact you. And I click the button. But now if you notice, it didn't go to another page. So I left your feed. Why? Because we didn't select open a new tab. So what you want to do is go to your dashboard and always make sure that you have open a new tab selected for these two buttons. And then you click update. Okay, now I'm going to refresh the page. So say I'm watching your live webcast. You just did the altar call. I want to contact you. And you say, if you're watching by online, you're watching via internet, and you want to contact us, just click that contact us button right underneath your feed. I click the button and it takes me to a form where I can contact you. That is rocking. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just showed you how to build a nice website. Here it is, homepage, rocking, live webcast page, rocking, blog page, rocking, podcast page. There it is. I told you it's going to take a little time to load up. It's loaded up. There's our 5 podcasts that are listed right here, the latest ones that we've uploaded. Come on, somebody. Small groups page. There it is. And you got a contact us page. How much did you pay for this website? Absolutely free. How much would you pay if you had somebody design it for you? Probably about $500. So you just created a nice website from scratch for your church for free. If you have any questions, once again, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. I just showed you how to create a nice 6-page website from scratch for your church for free. Hit me up if you have any questions. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless you.